This is the news at 6. I'm Zin as our main headlines. The University of Health and Allied Sciences appoint Professor Harry Tagbo as the new Pro-Vice Chancellor of the university, effective from the 1st of August 2021. The School of Pharmacy holds its first white coat ceremony for its fourth-year students as they enter their clinical year. The Electoral Commission of the SRC opens nomination for the 2021 SRC elections.
Nominations will begin on the 17th, that is this particular coming Thursday.
Months after taking the first dose of the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, still no second dose is available, and today is the last day for course registration for this semester. Hello and welcome to the news at 6 and stay with us for all the latest news on campus. University Council has appointed Professor Harry Tagbo as the next Pro-Vice Chancellor of the University of Health and Allied Sciences, effective from the 1st of August. In a letter from the Office of the Vice Chancellor, he is to replace Professor Seth Owusu-Adjei, whose tenure ends on the 31st of July. The School of Pharmacy has held its first white coat ceremony in the university. Last Friday, the event took place at the City Auditorium as the fourth-year pharmacy students were ushered into their clinical year. The Vice Chancellor and other members of senior management were present at the function. There is more in this report by Dinah.
In the first time in the history of the university, the School of Pharmacy has held its first white coat ceremony. The ceremony is a ceremony that is done to mark the transition of students from their pre-clinical year to their clinical year. The event, which took place at the CD Auditorium, was a colorful event. Pharmacy students were dressed in their neat white coats, ready to become great pharmacists. Reporting for UHAS-based TV, I'm Dinah.
Nominations for the 2021 SRC elections have been opened from the 17th of June to the 30th of June. Aspirants are now allowed to pick up a form and submit it to the Electoral Commission. The cost of the form for federal president is 400 cedis, whilst the other positions is 250.
With nominations will begin on the 17th, that is this particular coming Thursday of this week, and then it will end on the 30th.
This begins this week, the 17th of June 2021 to the 30th of June 2021. The deadline for presentation of nomination forms on the 30th of June 2021 is at 5 p.m. exactly. People who fail to meet this deadline face disqualification.
Let's look at some of the day's other news. The Physician Assistantship Association of UHAS has opened nomination for the 2021 elections. Aspirants can now pick up a form by seeing any of the Physician Assistantship students. Nominations have also been opened for Miss UHAS 2021. The winner will have her school fees fully paid as well as the accommodation fees for next semester. The SRC is organizing a tour on the 10th of July. The tour includes places such as the Ketase Defense. Tickets are sold for 70 cedis for single and 130 for double. The school management is cautioning students against the use of keke that's overspeed and overload. They ask students to be concerned for their safety whilst they find a solution to the problem. The deadline for course registration is today according to the letter from the Office of the Registrar. Students who are unable to register will not be allowed to write the end of semester examination. There has been a delay in the administration of the second dose of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine. Last semester, a team from the Ghana Health Service came to the university to administer the first dose. Now, it's been more than a month since then and still no vaccine has arrived. According to the manufacturers of the vaccine, AstraZeneca, the vaccine has to be taken 12 weeks apart. Students who received the first dose spoke with UHAS-based TV.
Yeah, I'm a bit worried because I don't know whether I'm protected or not, because I've taken the risk to take the first dose. So I'm expecting that I will get the second dose so that I will be protected from the virus. So right now I don't know what is about. What is the thing? They are not saying anything, and we don't even know whether we'll get the same AstraZeneca. So I'm confused. I don't know what is going on.
I know that it's been very harmful if you don't get the second dose because you've already taken the first dose. But I'm not anxious. I'm okay. I'm not anxious at all because I don't really have it in mind that anything will happen to me. We are just hoping and praying that the second dose comes in and we take.
This is how we wrap up today's edition of the news at 6. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram at UHAS-based TV and subscribe to our YouTube channel UHAS-based TV. My name is Zinas. Thank you for watching.